are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 3/8 ratchet, 17mm socket, small screwdriver, band type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain box. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 4 quarts of 520 synthetic engine oil, spin-on oil filter, and a can of MOA engine oil treatment. So first I'm going to be removing the oil filler cap. It's going to be on the right side of the engine. Putting on my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to be removing the drain plug. It's on the back side of the oil pan. Putting back my drain plug. Tightening up my plug. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this oil filter right here. So I'm going to be putting my filter on, but before I put them on, check the block side, make sure there's no gasket stuck on the block. If there is, remove it. Just clean them up. Make sure you lubricate the O-ring around the filter and put them on. Adding in my oil. Adding in my can of MOA. Removing my funnel, putting on my oil filler cap. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't vibrate loose. I'm going to start up the vehicle. I'm going to start up the vehicle and let it run for a little while. That should be good enough. Now we can check the oil level. Checking the oil level, it's in the front of the engine. Just pull out the dipstick, wipe it down, put it back in, pull them out, check the level, perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you replace engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.